Useful phrases and expressions to talk about the future. I'm going to. When to use, for plans or intentions you've already decided on. What are you doing tonight? I'm going to watch a movie at home. I plan to. When to use, to talk about a planned action, more formal than going to. Any plans for the weekend? I plan to visit my grandparents. I'll probably. When to use, to talk about something you're likely to do, but not 100% sure. Are you going shopping today? I'll probably go tomorrow. I'm thinking of. When to use, for ideas you're considering, but haven't decided on yet. Where will you go for vacation? I'm thinking of going to Italy. I might. When to use, for possibilities, you may do it, you may not. Are you going to call him tonight? I might, if I'm not too tired. I'll be. When to use, for definite actions happening at a specific time in the future. Will you be home at 8 p.m.? Yes, I'll be having dinner then. I hope to. When to use, for something you want or wish to do in the future. Will you get a new job soon? I hope to find one by next month. I intend to. When to use, for a strong plan or firm commitment. Will you join us for the meeting? I intend to be there on time. I'll try to. When to use, for something you'll make an effort to do, but it's not certain. Can you call me later? All right, I'll try to call you tonight. I'm aiming to. When to use, for goals or targets you want to reach. When will you finish the project? I'm aiming to get it done by Friday. I expect to. When to use, for things you believe will happen, often based on logic, experience, or plans. Do you think it'll rain today? No, I expect to have sunny weather all day. I'll see if I can. When to use, when you're not sure but will check or try. Could you get me a ticket for the concert? I'll see if I can find one online. I'm looking forward to. When to use, to express anticipation and excitement about a future event or situation. Are you ready for your trip? Yes, I'm really looking forward to it. I should. When to use, for things you think are a good idea to do. It shows advice, mild obligation, or a plan, not as strong as must. Have you talked to Emma lately? No, I should call her this weekend. I'm set to. When to use, for something that is already arranged or scheduled. Are you ready for the presentation? Yes, I'm set to present at 3 p.m. I'm hoping to. When to use, when you want something to happen and think it might. Will you get a promotion this year? I'm hoping to. I'm preparing to. When to use, when you're getting ready for a future action. Why are you packing your bags? I'm preparing to move. I'm supposed to. When to use, for things you are expected or required to do, by rules, plans, or arrangements. Why aren't you at work? I'm supposed to be in a meeting right now. I'm likely to. When to use, to show there's a good chance something will happen. Will you attend the wedding? I'm likely to. I'm about to. When to use, for something happening very soon. Can you take a call? I can't. I'm about to leave. I'll make sure to. When to use, to show a promise or commitment to do something and ensure it is done properly. Don't forget to lock the door when you leave. Don't worry, I'll make sure to lock it. He's bound to. When to use, for something almost certain to happen. Will he be late again? He's bound to if the traffic is this bad. It's due. When to use, to indicate the time when something is expected to happen, be done, or arrive. When's the train arriving? It's due to arrive at 6. It's scheduled to. When to use, to indicate that something is planned or expected to happen at a specific time or in a specific way. When will the show start? It's scheduled to start in 15 minutes.